A very warm good morning to one and all present here. Today, as we all know that we are here to be a part of guest lecture on achieving problem solution fit and problem market fit. So, I would like to introduce our guest speaker for this event that is to be happen today. I would like to give a brief introduction of our guest present here. She is Professor Anamika Chaturvedi here. She is an Assistant Professor of Marketing and Finance at IMT College of Engineering, Greater Noida. She is currently pursuing PhD and holds an MBA in Marketing and Finance, MSc in Organic Chemistry, and a postgraduate diploma in Computer Application. She is having over more than 15 years of experience in academics, teaching, research, and administration. She specializes in marketing management, consumer behavior, digital marketing, and business analytics. She has presented number of papers in international journals, conferences, and published researches in reputed journals. She is very much dedicated to academic excellence. She actively mentors students and contributes to institutional growth. We are honored to have her today here. So without any further delay, I would like to call our guest of the day, Ms. Professor Anamika Chaturvedi, to be present here to give and express her, share her views with us. Please, ma'am.
Vivek.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. You have your breakfast? No? Then there is a problem. How to find the solution? So you should have your breakfast in the morning. That is the solution. Okay? And after the lecture, go and have breakfast. Breakfast is very important. So thank you, ma'am, for calling me, and it's an honor to have interaction with students who are going to graduate and who are in the process of graduation. Because I thought here is BBA first year and BBA final year. Ant and Aram. So, these are the students who are going to start their journey for the graduation, and there are some students who have other works to complete their journey for the graduation. So both are having some thoughts. The first year will think, what will be the problem during my graduation? And final year will think, how I got solution of my problems during my graduation. So both are having their journey, both are having their solution. So see, teachers are always a learner. Okay? I'm a learner. I'm here to learn from you and discuss with you on some topic and some thoughts. So your queries and your thoughts are most welcome here. Okay? Let's start. So first of all, I want to know, what do you think? There are Modi ji has given Made in India, Startup India. There are various schemes that Government of India has chosen for the students and for the youth and for the people. So what do you think? According to this, अभी तुम्हारे country में there should be many startups. Startups के अंबार हो जाने चाहिए थे. There should be so many successful startups, right? What do you think? अगर हम बात करें, if we talk about, ऐसे बात करें? Am I audible to everyone? Yes, ma'am. Okay. So if we talk about startups, if we talk about the business, so tell me, what do you think?
Why there are everybody just going towards these startups, but not everybody is achieving the success? What do you think? What can be the reason why the people are not achieving success in their startup? Any idea? You people are BBA students, so business is in your blood. अब तो 3 साल में हो जाना चाहिए, right? Tell me, what do you think? देखो ऐसे ही तो नहीं चलेगा. See, lectures are always two-way interaction. जब तक आप interact नहीं करोगे, आप बात नहीं करोगे, तब तक तो अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. ऐसे लगेगा एक घंटे आए बोल के चले गए. मुझे भी तो लगना चाहिए ना. I met some good students.
Ma'am, competition.
Okay, there are big competition in the market. That's why there are some marketplace, marketability. Okay.
Proper planning.
Proper planning.
Ma'am, lack of experience.
Lack of experience, funding.
Lack of failure, high failure rate.
High failure rate. This is the problem. High failure rate. अगर 100 startup start होते हैं, तो only 2 and 3% are at the success rate. This is the biggest problem. That's why there are some thoughts, some research has been done, and some thoughts have came out, which is known as the problem solution fit and product market fit. So we should know why there is a failure in startups, because being a management student, in some way you are having a dream to having your own business. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
आप मैनेजमेंट स्टूडेंट तो कहीं ना कहीं आपके इसमें एक ड्रीम होगा कि मैं एक दिन अपना एक स्टार्टअप होगा मेरा. I'll have a startup. So when you are in the journey of learning these things, how to start a business, so you should also know why the business has been failed.
Some rapid changes.
Rapid changes in scenario, yes, absolutely. Rapid changes. Next. So it's next slide. ऊपर करिए आप, ऊपर करिए. First, previous. इसके बाद. It's not your customer's job to know what they want. Steve Jobs has said. The Steve Jobs is everybody knows, right? So, what was his thought? It's not your customer's job to know what they want. So, whose job is this? Producer's job, provider's job, manufacturer's job, service provider's job, right? What the customer want? क्या चाहिए? मैं क्यों बताऊं मुझे क्या चाहिए? You give me the solution, okay? You find the problem. आप problem find out करो और आप मुझे solution दो. Why I should tell you what is my problem? You should know what is my problem. डॉक्टर क्या करता है? आप सब symptoms बताते हैं. Then doctor will find what is the problem, right? Then they gave the solution. The same thing applied with the business people. Consumer will give you the only symptoms, right? They are not buying your product. They are switching over your brand. They are finding some other solutions. They are going towards your competitors, right? So now you have to find out what is the problem, right? Then you will be a successful marketeer. It's like, so we'll study gradually understanding the concept of problem fit, then step 2 problem solution fit, understanding the concept of product market fit, then achieve product market fit, tools and techniques. Next one. Now, the thing or the talk I was into this, why product failed? Why product failed? Why there is a problem, right? And how we have to find the solution. So, why product failed? Lack of market need, as you all told me. कि मैम मार्केट प्लेस नहीं मिलता है या सही से मार्केटिंग नहीं होती है, right? So have you any example if you have कि उनकी मार्केटिंग नहीं हुई तो वो प्रोडक्ट फेल हो गया? Any example? फिर आपको ऐसा लगता है? Food Panda, yes. nice. So they didn't get good market. तो क्या हो गया? जब उनको market नहीं मिला, they failed. But there was a solution, and they have to work on that. This is the line, and this is the way to survive into the business. If there is a problem, you have to find the product solution. कोई problem है तो उसका solution मिलना चाहिए कि नहीं मिलना चाहिए? So, second is poor market research. जो हमारा आपका जो problem fit निकलता है, solution of problem fit, it comes from here only. Poor market research. Because everybody want to be an entrepreneur. I'm an entrepreneur. I want to start a business. Have you gone through the research? Have you gone through the product research? Have you gone through the market research? If the customer is want your product or not? Customer को आपका product चाहिए भी कि नहीं चाहिए? Have you gone through the survey? Have you met customer? Have you discussed with the customer? Or there is a control group of customer or uncontrolled group of customer. कौन है? किससे बात किया आपने? Have you talked to the retailer? Have you talked to the distributor? Suppose that, for example, let's talk. अब बताइए आप में से कोई who want to start a business or a product? बताइए कोई ऐसा प्रोडक्ट जिसके ऊपर आप बिजनेस स्टार्ट करना चाहते हैं? क्लॉथिंग सेक्टर में करना चाहते हैं? फैंटास्टिक. So, clothing sector, if you want to start a business, have you gone through any research or any data you have?
Yes ma'am, like यहाँ 8 points billions of population all over world, जिसमें से mostly हर कोई cross use करता है.
Everybody.
एक ऐसी मतलब फील्ड है जहाँ कभी भी मतलब अलग लाइफ का एक्सपीरियंस.
Fine. आपने he told me there is a population in India and everybody has to wear the cloth. Okay? तो मार्केट कभी खत्म नहीं होगा. एंडलेस मार्केट है, इसलिए मुझे बिजनेस करना है इसमें. तो क्या आप सक्सेसफुल होंगे इसमें? नो. You have to first of all, what you have to do? You have to do market research. Clothing is a wide range. यहाँ पे इतने सारे लोग बैठे हुए, सबने different clothing, सबके different clothing है. किसी की साड़ी, किसी का सूट है, किसी का यूनिफॉर्म है, किसी का टी-शर्ट है, किसी का. So you have to be very specific. सबसे पहले आपको क्या फाइंड आउट करना है? प्रॉब्लम क्या है? डॉक्टर आपको मेडिसिन कब देता है? When they found problem क्या है? So you will be a successful entrepreneur when you will find what is the problem of consumer. According to that, after finding the problem of consumer, you can find the cure, you can find the solution. And once you will give the solution, definitely you are going to be successful entrepreneur. Why? Have you ever imagined why Blinkit is so successful? किसी का कोई ऐसा एग्जाम्पल, किसी का कोई ऐसा एक्सपीरियंस है ब्लिंकिट के साथ? You can share with us. अच्छा, ज़ेप्टो के साथ बताइए.
एक बार मैंने प्रोडक्ट ऑर्डर किया था, बट उसमें दिखा रहा था 10 मिनट्स के अंदर आ जाएगा, बट स्टिल दे टेक मोर देन 15 मिनट्स. ओके,
सॉल्यूशन की बात करती हूँ. I gave you a example. Last alumni day, I left my a batch of cloth, which was very important for wearing the sari. I ordered on Blinkit in college and I find the solution within 10 minutes. That is the successful example of a successful business. Because I live in Greater Noida, it's not possible for me to go back to the home and took that cloth. So I just ordered and I find the solution. So this level of solution, when you provide the customer, you will be successful in the market. That is the problem solution. ये होता है प्रॉब्लम का सॉल्यूशन. ओके, If we talk about दूसरा क्या है? Poor product, weak business model. Have you heard about Nano failed in the market?
Yes, ma'am.
Why Nano failed in the market?
Because it's cheap.
Advertisement
People
is
think
like-
it's cheap.
cheap vehicle.
मैम मेंटली लोगों की
Mentally
मेंटलिटी
मैम लोगों के दिमाग में
Mentality,
cheap-
okay.
cheap जो vehicle है गरीब लोग afford-
cheap vehicle है. So इसका मतलब क्या उन्होंने क्या किया? They are having weak business model. STP पढ़ा है ना? Segmentation, targeting and positioning. पढ़ा है, सबने पढ़ा होगा.
यस मैम
So in how they position themselves, they position themselves a cheap car, like Takia car. That time it was famous word, right? So once the people buy the car, the people think, okay, ये तो 1 लाख वाली car, okay, इनके पास तो पैसे नहीं. So what happened? The weak business model failed the business. Nano has failed in the market. Then they go to the research and the student has went to the research. They find out your positioning was wrong. Your business model was wrong. That's why you failed. They again reposition the product. उन्होंने इसको फिर से reposition किया as a smart city car. क्योंकि small car है, it can come to the city very friendly, very easily. तो फिर से उनकी repositioning हुई and they successfully running in the market. Gradually, but they are running. So that is called weak business model. For understanding this problem, you have to find out why you are failing. Then you will find the problem. Okay? So next is the financial issue. Everybody knows the entrepreneurs who are this startup is always having this issue. So we're not going on to this. कि आपके पास क्या इशू है? Financial issues तो हमेशा होते हैं. ठीक है? Next है आपका strong competition. As a student has still told, strong competition. They see. Have you? I think you all have read about the Michael Porter model, right? So strong competition. Competition is everywhere. When there is a placement, your friend is your competitor. होता है कि नहीं होता placement drive में? Your best friend is your competitor. So competition is everywhere. So you have to be innovative. You have to be product fit market for the successfully run of the business. Next क्या है आपका? Ineffective marketing and branding. Obviously. आप लोगों ने जब आप लोगों ने enter किया होगा 30 तक आते आते आप ये तो लर्न कर ही गए होंगे. ये तो आपने लाइन सीख ली होगी. जो दिखता है वही बिकता है. तो अगर आपने सही से मार्केटिंग ब्रांडिंग नहीं की तो प्रोडक्ट कैसे बिकेगा? So for that, what you have to do? You have to do in an effective marketing and branding. So these are the reasons why the business has failed. So we will come to the poor research market. Why there is a problem and how we found the solution. Next slide.
मैम अगर हम कोई प्रोडक्ट सेल करते हैं और हमारा कॉम्पिटिशन है वो भी सेम एग्जैक्ट सेम प्रोडक्ट सेल करता है
बिल्कुल.
मैम उससे कॉम्पीट करने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे?
मार्केट में कोक भी चलता है और मार्केट में पेप्सी भी चलती है. बोथ आर सिमिलर प्रोडक्ट. मार्केट में फैंटा भी चलता है और मार्केट में एक और है माजा भी चलता है और मार्केट में दूसरा एक और मैंगो पल्प का आता है. तो मार्केट देयर आर सिमिलर. आप लोगों ने इकोनॉमिक्स में पढ़ा होगा जो आपके क्या बोलते हैं प्रोडक्ट में जो एक जैसे प्रोडक्ट्स होते हैं
होमोजेनियस प्रोडक्ट
होमोजेनियस प्रोडक्ट
सब्स्टिट्यूट और कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री.
सब्स्टिट्यूट एंड कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री है ना. तो ये जो आपका मार्केट में प्रोडक्ट है उसको हम कैसे रन करते हैं? विद द एडवर्टाइजमेंट वॉर. आपने कभी भी कोक और पेप्सी को प्राइस कम करते नहीं देखा होगा. When Coke is come with a new advertisement, after 1 week, after 4 days, after 10 days, Pepsi will come with a new ad. आप कभी इसको देखना. So they come up with some other war rather than price war. ठीक है? अगर आपका प्रोडक्ट जो है वो एक जैसा है तो आप क्या करते हो? You have to find your USP, unique selling proposition. ये सब आप लोगों ने पढ़ रखा है. मैं तो बस यहाँ आपसे डिस्कस कर रही हूँ. तो तो जब आप यूएसपी की बात करते हो तो कोक की यूएसपी कुछ और है और पेप्सी की यूएसपी कुछ और है। कोक का ऐड कौन करता है? कोक का ऐड कौन करता है? कोको कोला का ऐड कौन लेके आता है? शाहरुख खान तो नहीं आता। पेप्सी का ऐड कौन लेके आता है? इंडिया की बात करो। अरे सेशन तो खत्म किया नहीं मैंने, तुम ताली क्यों बजा रहे हो?
कौन सा नाम बताया, किसने बताओ? बता दिया तो थोड़ा डाउटली बताइए ना।
मुझे तो लगा सेशन खत्म होने ही ताली बजाती।
कौन से स्टार का नाम बताया, बता दो मुझे एक बार।
चलिए ठीक है। यंगिस्तान, आप लोगों ने इतना उसके पूरा एक सॉन्ग आया हुआ था इसमें, अगर आप लोगों को याद नहीं है, आप लोगों ने सुना, बहुत ही फेमस सॉन्ग आया था इसमें।
अल्लू अर्जुन ने किया था।
बिल्कुल। तो आप थोड़ा अपडेटेड रहिए, आप लोग बीबीए स्टूडेंट हैं। एडवर्टीजमेंट टाइम वेस्ट नहीं होता है, ये आपका मार्केट ट्रेंड जानने का तरीका होता है। इट्स अ वे टू नो द मार्केट ट्रेंड। Go through the advertisement, find out how they advertise, what are the method of advertising, what type of advertising they are using. अभी आपको men will be men का अगर मैं ऐड करूँ सबके जबान पे आ जाएगा, हाँ मैम, सबने सुना होगा cohort advertisement. So how to find the solution? अभी यहाँ पे भी आपको solution बताती हूँ, because they can't advertise Blue Imperial directly. So what they do? They find the solution to remind the consumer. Okay? So, example of bad product market. Google Glass. They come up with the Google एक बहुत ही costly glasses के साथ आया, वहाँ पे उसको AI related सब information देंगे, but that was badly failed. Product market fit failed after 18 months run with extremely low adoption, Google halted sales. Real time information देना via smart glass. Everybody is having phone. Everybody is having smart watch. They don't need their specs to have the real time information. Okay. So why customers were confused about why and when they would use Google glasses? उन्हें पता है ना मैं use कब करना? Because you are having several methods, several ways to know the real time information. Okay? Phone है आपके हाथ में, smart watch है आपके हाथ में. Why you need a Google glasses? You don't need it. It was heavy, it was costly. So there was no problem about the real information. There were several methods to find the real time information. That's why product has failed. उन्होंने क्या किया? Google ने ये find out ही नहीं किया, is there a problem? क्या real time information की problem थी? No, there was no problem. But they come up with a new product. They thought कि innovative है तो everybody will love it. No, you have to first find out the customer really want this product or not. So ultimate goal क्या है? आपको क्या समझ में आया? सबसे पहले what you have to find out. सबसे पहले क्या आपको लगता है क्या होना चाहिए, क्या हमें पता करना चाहिए? कंज्यूमर की नीड, कंज्यूमर नीड क्या है? द प्रॉब्लम. व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम? व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम ऑफ कंज्यूमर? कंज्यूमर का प्रॉब्लम क्या है? पहले यू हैव टू फाइंड दैट. राइट? नेक्स्ट, सक्सेसफुल प्रोडक्ट. डिस्प्ले गूगल एडसेंस. अभी आप when you will put any word, आप कोई भी वर्ड जब आप गूगल पे डालते हो suppose that you will put best shoes in for the girls. Okay? So you will find several websites down the line, and the first two websites will show you Google AdSense. Okay? So display advertising program that enables paid ad and network of website. Google ने कुछ नहीं किया, उसने क्या किया? जिसने जो पैसा देगा, the website will pay me. I'll give operating and I'll post them on first line. And the customer will search. आप digital marketing जब आप पढ़ेंगे further, then you will find it. ठीक है? So आप then आपको you will get to know how it works. ठीक है? तो जैसे ही आप कोई चीज push करते हैं, whenever you push or you type best shoes in the market or best shoes for the girls, you will find the several websites on the Google, and some of them are with the Google AdSense. So the company has to pay to the Google for showing their website on the first two lines. And what the customer will do? How many times you will go for the second page or third page? Never. You only click on 2, 3, max to max 4, not more than that. So it means the company is having benefit and Google is having benefit. Google is having benefit by clicking. The customer will click, they'll get paid. Pay per click, yes. So this is the successful product.
बेस्ट एडवर्टाइजमेंट के लिए क्या ह्यूमन साइकोलॉजी
Consumer behavior समझना. Human psychology, because consumer behavior has the combination of psychology and behavioral psychology. Buying pattern. If you want to know the buying pattern of consumer, you have to know what the consumer want. Right? Until unless you will understand what the consumer want, you cannot sell them. You cannot satisfy them. Because there is a difference between marketing and selling. The day when you came into the VBA, you have already heard about it. And you have learned it. There is a huge gap, huge difference between marketing and selling. This is the most important question. Right? So, you have to market the product rather than sell the product. Okay? Selling is something pushing the product towards the customer. Marketing is something attracting the customer according to their need and fulfill their needs. So first of all, what you have to do? You have to find the problem. Until unless you will find the problem, how you will satisfy the customer by fulfilling their needs. Am I right? अगर तुम्हें problem पता नहीं होगी, तो customer को satisfy कैसे करोगे उनकी need को fulfill करके? Right? If Uber or Ola,
Yes.
if Uber or Ola has not been recognizing the problem of customer, बताइए इसमें क्या problem थी customer को? Uber and Ola has, how they get the solution? Anybody, any of you, please be interactive. इतना भी boring नहीं है यार.
बताओ ओला उबर के बारे में तो सब जानते हैं. Yes.
क्या होता था
तुम बोलने तो मैं चाहती हूँ, बोलने से भी कोई कुछ बोले.
पहले क्या होता था, कस्टमर को कोई अगर टैक्सी चाहिए, ऑटो चाहिए, तो घर से बाहर जाके कहीं तुम्हें बाहर स्टैंड्स पे जाके मिलता था. ओला उबर ने एक प्लेटफॉर्म दिया कि ऑटो वाले भी उस पर रजिस्टर कर सकते हैं और तुम वहाँ पे जाके बुक करो तो तुम्हारे घर के बाहर आ जाएगा वो विदिन मिनट्स. तो
Okay. So the problem was commutation. How to commute? Yes, you are right. Okay. The problem was commutation. How to commute from here and there? You have to go to the bus stand. You have to go to the auto stand. You have to go to the rickshaw stand. Okay. You have to go out of your house and out of your comfort zone to find a taxi, car, bus, or anything. आपको अपने comfort zone से बाहर निकलना है. There is raining. Oh my God. कैसे जाएंगे? You have to carry an umbrella. If you don't have umbrella, you have to wait. So interview छूट सकता है, exam छूट सकता है. There are many things. There can be many bad things happen. But there was a problem. Problem थी या नहीं थी? There was a problem. So Uber and Ola came up with the solution. That is problem solution fit. This is nothing, it's a big word, problem solution fit. This is the whole thing. You have to understand the customer, you have to find out the problem, and then you have to do the solution. That's it. It's not a big fancy word. And the word you have to understand only. Okay? So, problem solution fit is when a business product or service meet the needs of its customer. Needs of the customer, and it's crucial step to product success. Until and unless you provide the customer what they needed, it's not possible for you to be successful in the market. जब तक कि आप ये नहीं फाइंड आउट करोगे कि कस्टमर को चाहिए क्या, तब तक आप कुछ भी बना लो प्रोडक्ट, चाहे वो कितना क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट हो, इट्स लाइक गूगल लेंसेज, कितना भी क्वालिटी वाला प्रोडक्ट हो, कितना भी आपका महंगा प्रोडक्ट हो, कितना भी इनोवेटिव प्रोडक्ट हो, people are not going to buy it. But once you will provide a solution which is easy for the customer, just like Zerodha. Have you heard about it? What Zerodha do?
You can buy and sales.
बहुत सारे ऐसे थे वहाँ पे. There was Grow app. There was other app. Why the most of the consumer? Zerodha is the biggest number of consumer. Why? Because convenience fee. Right? Convenience उसने देखा. They find कि consumer को अगर मान लो कोई consumer है, कोई share holder है, you want to buy the share and only for 1,000 rupees, and he have to pay 50 rupees or 100 rupees for convenience charges or 50 rupees, तो उसको ज़्यादा लगेगा. Why I should not provide the solution? The convenience fee is very less. In comparison to all the other share buying app, Zerodha is the lowest convenience fee, and they have the biggest segment of consumer. Okay, so have you heard about the mass marketing? Have you heard about the mass marketing? Have you heard about the pricing strategy, that is price scheming and price penetration? Yes. Why we use price scheming? Anybody?
प्राइस स्कीमिंग में जो प्राइसेस होते हैं वो पहले बहुत हाई होते हैं, उसके बाद में कम कर दिए जाते हैं.
Very nice. Okay. And price penetration?
एंड पेनिट्रेशन में क्या होता है, जैसे टेक्नोलॉजी बेस्ड होता है तो इसके प्राइसेस मतलब वैसे ही रहते हैं, जैसे मतलब स्टार्टिंग में जो प्राइसेस होते हैं वो वही सेम ही रहते हैं.
Very nice. Very good. Sit down. So price scheming when the consumer is cost high price, and price penetration when pricing strategy is affordable for everyone. If you remember about Jio, आपने सुना था Jio के बारे में? Everybody is getting SIM, everybody is using internet. Free of charges, free, मुफ्त, right? तो क्या था? Everybody was having Jio SIM. What the Jio has done? They capture entire market by the price penetration, very low pricing strategy. अब उनको प्रॉफिट कहाँ से हो रहा है? क्वांटिटी से हो रहा है. You understand? How Zerodha is having profit? Quantity, number of subscriber, number of shareholders, number of app downloader, app user. Solution. Focus on the problem, then focus on the solution, rather than coming with a solution without knowing the problem. That's why the startup has failed many times. 99% startup has failed because they never come with the solution of the problem. They only come up with their own idea. They never come with the solution of a problem of consumer. अगर आप consumer के problem solution से आओगे तो आप कभी fail नहीं होगे. Because सिर्फ आप अपना आइडिया लेके आओगे, it's like Google Lens has been. There are many companies as well. तो क्या होगा? जैसे टाटा का विजन था चीप कार बनाना. They came with the small car. but they come with their own idea rather than problem of consumer finding. अगर वो इसको इस तरीके से करते, it's a solution of the problem of low income group or whatever it is. There are many people sitting in the company to give the solution. तो वो कभी फेल नहीं होता. तो क्या करना होता है? Problem solution fit. Show me what I say. You can't show it, right? You can't see it. क्या बोल रहा है यहाँ पे? The main reason why startup fails, they create something that people don't urgently need. ठीक है? मुझे जरूरत नहीं है और आप मुझे वो प्रोवाइड कर रहे हो. I don't need it. I want problem solution of my problem. So what you have to do being an entrepreneur, you have to find the problem first. What is the consumer problem? Then you will go to the solution. Right? Next one.
हम need हम generate भी तो कर सकते हैं.
How you will generate the need? Yeah, there are many models of consumer behavior like Howard Shake model, Blackwell models. There are various models where they start with your senses appeals, where you'll find that how to generate the need, how to make the consumer feel deprived. Okay, you need this, you need this. Okay, but it is aggressive selling techniques. Until when the consumer will get to know, I don't need it. Until unless it's a unique product. It's the actual solution of your product. Okay? So, problem solution fit. I think ये color combination थोड़ा वैसा हो गया, दिख नहीं रहा इसमें. Idea, concept, committing, validation, scaling and establishing. How to find the problem. ठीक है? Problem solution fit. Formation करना, validation करना, फिर growth करना. Next. So, why did it stage 2? Why not? Next करना. Why not directly concept? The idea is refined into concept. Backward. पहले idea. Right? Idea is what? This is the earlier stage where the entrepreneur identify a problem worth living. Okay? It involves brainstorming potential, solution, understanding the marketing. Here is you have to find out the problem. The first step, rather than you think I'll go for this business. This is my idea. No, you have to find out. You have to go to the market. What is the problem? Until unless you will find the problem, आपके आइडिया से नहीं चलेगा बिजनेस. आपको कस्टमर को समझ के उनकी प्रॉब्लम से वो आइडिया निकालना पड़ेगा कि what will be the solution, rather than कि just push your idea. Correct? अभी आप ये देखो, Amazon जब आप किसी प्रोडक्ट को परचेज करते थे तो कितने दिन में डिलीवर करता था? 3 to 4 days, 5 days. राइट? आपने कोई सूट पसंद किया या टी शर्ट पसंद किया, एनीथिंग you like, and you will get the delivery 3-4 days. But you like the product on Blinkit, you like the product on Flipkart is also doing the same. So you will find the product within 15 minutes. Solution है, suppose that अभी आप इस पे ऐड भी आप बहुत देखते होंगे, इस पे एडवर्टीजमेंट ही ऐसा आता है. So there is a Diwali and the kurta is not fitting to the Dadaji. So what the grandson has done, he just go to the Blinkit and order another kurta. Dadaji saying, मैं कोई ऐसे वैसे कुर्ता नहीं पहनता. तो बोला ये आपका मान्यवर से है. Then Dadaji wear the kurta which is came from the Blinkit. So this is the solution. Did you understand? Do you understand how the logistics, how the supply chain has been tremendously changed to giving solution to the consumer? आप उस एरिया में सोचो, कहाँ आपको 3 दिन बाद डिलीवरी मिलती, कहाँ आपको 20 मिनट, 15 मिनट, 8 मिनट, 4 मिनट में मिल रही है। इज दिस अ सोल्यूशन? ये प्रॉब्लम का सोल्यूशन है या नहीं है? यहाँ पे चले आपके जोमेटो से अभी दीपेंद्र गोयल, क्या नाम है उनका, जोमेटो के जो है दीपेंद्र गोयल, ब्लिंकिट किसका है?
जोमेटो
उन्हीं का है। उन्होंने बोला जोमेटो से ज्यादा बिजनेस करेगी ब्लिंकिट। दैट इज ट्रू। व्हाई दैट इज ट्रू? बिकॉज सोल्यूशन, खाना बनाने जा रहे हैं, लो याद ही नहीं आया, तेल तो खत्म हो गया है, फटाफट ब्लिंकिट पे जा, जब तक गैस पे कुकर रख के गर्म करेंगे तब तक ऑयल आ जाएगा। देयर इज अ सोल्यूशन, दैट इज कॉल्ड बिजनेस।
जैसे आपने कहा कि प्रॉब्लम चाहिए होती है, मतलब पहले प्रॉब्लम फाइंड आउट करो, उसके बाद सोल्यूशन निकालो तो आपका बिजनेस सक्सेसफुल होगा। पर मैम जैसे आपने नैनो का एग्जांपल दिया था, उन्होंने भी तो प्रॉब्लम फाइंड आउट करके सोल्यूशन निकाला था।
उन्होंने क्या किया, उसकी मार्केटिंग, मैंने क्या कहा, व्हाई द फेल हमने सबसे पहले पढ़ा था, मार्केटिंग एंड ब्रांडिंग वाज पुअर, इनइफेक्टिव। आप प्रोडक्ट को सोल्यूशन निकालते हो, आप देखो वो सक्सेसफुली रन कर रहा है, क्यों रन कर रहा है? बिकॉज बंद नहीं है बेटा, अभी भी चल रही है। तो मार्केट में क्यों फेल हो रहा? क्योंकि उसने अपनी पोजीशनिंग गलत की थी। पोजीशनिंग तो जानते हैं आप, सेगमेंटेशन, टारगेटिंग एंड पोजीशनिंग।
नहीं तो मेंटलिटी भी एक प्रेफरेंस रह सकती है प्रॉब्लम के अलावा, मतलब प्रॉब्लम फाइंड आउट करें, लेकिन लोगों की मेंटलिटी क्या है सॉल्यूशन को लेके।
You can't change the mentality of the people. You have to change your marketing strategy.
नहीं मैं ये नहीं कह रहा मैं कि मेंटलिटी चेंज करनी, मैं कह रहा हूँ उनके मेंटलिटी को ध्यान में रखकर सोल्यूशन कर सकते हैं।
Exactly. वही तो करें, मार्केटिंग स्ट्रेटजी को, उनकी मेंटालिटी को ध्यान में रख के मार्केटिंग स्ट्रेटजी चेंज कर दो। Good. So first you have to find out the idea. So idea was very good. जैसे इसने कहा कि मैम आइडिया तो बहुत अच्छा था उनका कार को प्रोवाइड कराने का, बट उस आइडिया को उन्होंने जब एक्शन में आया, वहां पे प्रोडक्ट फिट, अभी हम जब आगे पढ़ेंगे, आपका जो क्वेश्चन है दैट इज फ्रॉम द प्रोडक्ट फिट इनटू द मार्केट, कि आपका जो प्रोडक्ट है वो मार्केट में किस तरीके से फिट होगा, दैट यू हैव टू आल्सो फाइंड आउट, दैट यू हैव टू आल्सो ऑर्गेनाइज। ये बहुत अच्छा प्रोडक्ट है, वी आर हैविंग वंडरफुल प्रोडक्ट, वी आर हैविंग ट्रेमेंडस प्रोडक्ट, वेरी गुड इनोवेशंस, बट यू आर नॉट एबल टू फिट योर प्रोडक्ट इनटू द मार्केट, जस्ट लाइक नैनो। तो क्या होगा, प्रोडक्ट विल बी आउट ऑफ द मार्केट, दैट्स व्हाई बोथ आर कंबाइंड। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट, इसके पहले कौन सा कितना टाइम, मैम हाउ मच टाइम इज लेफ्ट? 10 minutes?
10 to 15 minutes.
ठीक है, मुझे लगता है ज़्यादा ही हो गया। ठीक है, idea, this is the earliest stage where entrepreneur identify the problem, so you have to find out the problem for solving. ठीक है, इसके बाद आप आते हैं concept पे, ideas refined into concept। अब idea, एक छोटा सा idea आता है कि रात को बहुत भूख लगती है, हॉस्टलर स्टूडेंट है, उनको रात को हॉस्टल बंद हो जाता है, ठीक है, तो आइडिया आ रहा है कि उन्हें रात के लिए सिर्फ ओनली फॉर द हॉस्टलर, यहाँ पे इतने सारे कॉलेजेस हैं, इतने सारे हॉस्टलर हैं, सिर्फ हॉस्टलर के लिए ही उनके हम नाइट में फूड डिलीवरी करें, ओनली 2 or 3 प्रोडक्ट्स, नॉट मोर देन दैट। हंगर केयर, हंगर होती है रात की, उनकी केयर के लिए, दैट इज आइडिया। व्हेन द कॉन्सेप्ट, एक आइडिया है कि हॉस्टलर के लिए रात में फूड प्रोवाइड करना, आइडिया कम इनटू द कॉन्सेप्ट, हाउ यू विल वर्क, है ना? द कॉन्सेप्ट इज द आइडिया डिफाइंड इनटू कॉन्सेप्ट, द स्टार्टर बीइंग डिफाइंड विद वैल्यू प्रोपोजिशन, कंसीडरिंग फिजिबिलिटी, फोकस ऑन वेदर द प्रॉब्लम सॉल्यूशन फिट एग्जिस्ट और नॉट। क्या ये, अभी इतने सारे बच्चे यहाँ बैठे हैं, क्या आप लोग ही बताओ, क्या रात में अगर सिर्फ नाइट में फूड सॉल्यूशन, फूड प्रोवाइडिंग सॉल्यूशन हो इंटायर नाइट, 12 बजे तक, 1 बजे तक का नहीं, इंटायर नाइट, क्या ये फिजिबल है? नहीं है। क्यों नहीं है? व्हाई इट इज नॉट फिजिबल? ड्यूरिंग एग्जाम्स स्टूडेंट स्टडी होल नाइट, they feel hungry, During weekend, student they watch movies, they web series, they interact with each other, they talk with each other whole night, and also go through some chit chat. So the hostler always awakes in night, as I know by my experience. Okay? So that time the hunger can meet the solution. छोटा सा स्टार्टअप भी कोई स्टूडेंट यहाँ पे अपना कर दे कि सिर्फ रात में सिर्फ स्टूडेंट को ना बिरयानी करेंगे हम और कुछ नहीं करेंगे. There is a couple in Bangalore. They do their job in day and they only deliver biryani at the night. And their business venture is running successful. Only in night, not in day. So concept and then committing. Founder commit to the startup from a team and align their vision. Early customer feedback is collected. You will be the customer, hostler will be the customer, right? So what I will do? I'll go for the feedback. Start करने से पहले कि मैं ये business start करना चाहता हूँ. If I provide food at night, you will buy it. How much cost you want to or price you want for the food? Want to pay for the food. सिर्फ आप IIT के हॉस्टल की मत सोचो. यहाँ पे GNIT, यहाँ पे United है, यहाँ पे there are number of colleges are there and their hostel is there. ठीक है? Next, validating the product or service is tested in the market with early adopter. Feedback loops are used to refine the product. अब आपने एक हॉस्टल को सेलेक्ट किया, IIT हॉस्टल सेलेक्ट किया and come up with the product testing. आपने क्या किया? वैलिडेट किया. आपने टेस्ट किया कि हाँ ये चल सकता है या नहीं चल सकता है. ठीक है? Small area. Then scaling. The business start growing, gaining more customer. The focus. First of all, you have to find out the loopholes. कि अगर आपने जो फूड डिलीवर किया उसमें क्या क्या loopholes. Customer का feedback. What the customer has given the feedback. Okay? So on the basis of that, what you have to do? You have to refine the product. Okay? So अगर आप backward देखोगे तो सबसे पहले हमने क्या किया? We find the problem. We found the problem. Problem क्या थी? Hunger at the night. Problem थी हमने ऐसी आइडिया लेकर तो नहीं आया. सबसे पहले बच्चों से बात की. Go to the research. Find. We talk the people. मैम बहुत भूख लगती है. इतनी भूख रात को कुछ मिलता नहीं है. मैगी भी कैसे बनाएंगे? There are a number of students who come up with these problems. So what you have to do? You have to give the solution. So for that you have to go to the you came into the idea, you develop the concept, and then you validate with the student by delivering the food. Is it okay? What kind of changes you want? What the pricing is okay? Then you scale your business. If it is successful, if there is need of any changes, you just change and go with the successful business idea. Next, establishing the business model, solidifying long-term strategy for expansion in sustainability are implemented. When the Blinkit has started, they only deliver grocery items. When the Blinkit has started, they only deliver grocery items. Now Blinkit is delivering clothing. iPhone. Yes. So that is what the business model solidify long-term strategy for expansion. Okay. So when Dipender Goyal was in Kapil Sharma show and he told that there are various changes you will find, you are going to see in Blinkit. And that was only 4-5 months ago. And now you will find everything is on Blinkit and in your Blinkit and you will get it. So that is the business model. That is the problem solution fit. We have the problem, I have the solution. So first of all, you have to find out the problem rather than come up with an idea. First, find the problem. Then come up with the idea. How to achieve problem solution fit? Understand the problem. इस पे हमने बहुत देर से बातें करी. I'll not take the time. बहुत देर से बातें कर रहे हैं, you have to आपको सबसे पहले क्या होगा, प्रॉब्लम फ्रॉम द कस्टमर पर्सपेक्टिव. अगेन देयर इज अ न्यू वर्ड, कस्टमर पर्सपेक्टिव. हैव यू हर्ड अबाउट द वर्ड एम्पैथी? व्हाट इज एम्पैथी? Put your shoes on the customer, put your foot on the customer shoes. Then think, क्या प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है? कस्टमर के शूज में अपना पैर डालिए और फिर सोचिए कि प्रॉब्लम क्या है. देन आप अपने आप को कस्टमर की तरह ट्रीट करिए, कस्टमर की तरह सोचिए, देन यू फाइंड द सॉल्यूशन. ओके, सो define the problem, ideate, explore creative solutions, prototype, build early version of the solution. ठीक है, next करो, I think it's getting late. Iterate and validate the solution. जो हमने अभी पहले बात की कि validate करो, test करो, then collect feedback, define your value proposition, identify the unique benefit. Please remember, always attach a value proposition with your product. कोई भी प्रोडक्ट आप प्रिपेयर करो, देयर शुड बी यूएसपी. प्रोडक्ट की यूएसपी आपको पता होनी चाहिए जो कि कंज्यूमर के प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करे. एंड नेक्स्ट टूल्स, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्यूशन फिट, कैनवास, कस्टमर पर्सन, मार्केट रिसर्च. नेक्स्ट दिखाओ. प्रॉब्लम सॉल्यूशन कैनवास एक टूल है जिसपे कि हम प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करते हैं, कस्टमर की प्रॉब्लम को फाइंड आउट करते हैं. ये बहुत आपका हु इज कस्टमर, दिस इज द canvas where who is the customer, explore limitation by how are going to differentiate with the competition. ठीक है, focus on frequent, costly and urgent problem solve. कितना urgent problem आप solve कर सकते हो. So Blinkit is solving the problem within minutes. ठीक है. Underrated the cause of the problem. Tap into the resemble of support existing behavior. Design triggers that fit real life solution. And add emotion for the stronger message. You're down to a solution, guys, and be where your customers are. ठीक है? तो ये एक कैनवस है जिसके बेसिस पे the problem solution fit works. Okay? So I think it's getting late. मैं बोलना शुरू करती हूँ तो बस बंद नहीं हो पाती हूँ. तो it's okay. Sorry for taking your time. In the case of iPhone, what happened? That is a brand. They are already established. They are having a different customer segment. You have to nothing. iPhone को कुछ नहीं करना है, उसका एक segment है customer का. वो brand already setup हो चुका है. तो वो अगर लोगो भी change करे, वो कुछ भी change करे, तब भी customer purchase करे. Because uniqueness of the product. Uniqueness क्या है? Value proposition क्या है? Security. है ना? Usability. ये सब उसके प्रोडक्ट के solutions है. That's why the customer want to buy this. Once someone is user of the iPhone, they don't want to use another phone. Why? There is something unique in the product. Exactly. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
On the behalf of IIC Cell of IIT College of Management, I want to express my gratitude to Professor Anamika ma'am. Thank you ma'am for sparing your time and visiting us to enlighten our students. Ma'am, you have discussed and enlightened various important topics of marketing in a simple way by quoting different examples. Once again, thank you for coming here ma'am. Let's have a huge round of applause for ma'am.